Hello photography fans and welcome back to another LensVid review. Today we're taking a look at the Andromeda Mark II tube lights by CameTV. Let's see what they can do. CameTV offers different solutions for video lighting and camera support, as well as grip and wireless audio. We've reviewed some CameTV lights in the past and also their V-mount batteries and power station. The Andromeda tube light that we're looking at today is actually an upgraded unit. It comes in 2, 3, and 4 foot versions. Long tube lights like these are very useful in set design and can be used as practicals. The Andromeda 4 light kit can also be set up as an array that works like a panel and provides nice soft light. In this configuration, it can also be used as a key light with plenty of battery runtime. It's also easy to transport. CameTV ships the kit in a 4-light carrying case. The set comes with 4 light tubes, 4 chargers, 2 array brackets, 1 stand adapter, 4 sets of barn doors, 8 magnetic holders, and a wireless multi-light commander. The tube lights come in a sturdy metallic frame with integrated rails for the included metal barn doors. These come with quick install guides that slide into the rails. There's no lock though, and you have to install tiny nuts and bolts to keep the barn doors in place. With a high chance of losing these pieces, we would have preferred some locks integrated into the fixture. The front of the unit is covered with a matte white plastic. On the back of the light there is a small menu screen and 6 buttons. There are 2 metal mounting points on the back of the fixture and 1 on each end. Also on the back there is an AC charging port and a D-tap port. There are 2 small magnets on the ends, but they're not as strong as the removable magnetic holders that come in the kit. CameTV promises over 2.5 hour runtime on the 7000 mAh internal battery. The Andromeda is an RGB tube light with 25 RGB effects and a color temperature range of 2000 Kelvin to 10,000 Kelvin. The menu allows to set multiple lights to the same channel, which will activate linked control to affect the settings on the lights at the same time. It works fine, but with a small delay. There is also wireless control through the Boltzmann app over the wireless commander that's included in the kit. The integrated controls are a bit clumsy. The power button also functions as a sleep button. You do have to make sure that the light is off because the small screen will drain the battery when in sleep mode. Following the power button, there are 3 buttons to navigate the menu. These take some getting used to. The effects controls are part of the menu. There are parameters that you can customize with the set button. The next RGB DT button toggles between HSI and bicolor mode. Multiple clicks on the button skip to different presets. The button on the end displays the unit's Wi-Fi information. The barn doors are an interesting addition to the light. Here's a demonstration of how they modify the light beam. For practicals, they give a really neat streak of light or color. The 2 brackets allow to group the 4 lights into an array. The brackets and the included adjustable angle stand holder are really simple, but they do the job. The 4 light array works like a panel and gives off a nice soft light. The Boltzmann app that CameTV provides to control these light tubes is probably the weakest point in the system. It's not very intuitive and we had trouble connecting to the lights. Thankfully, CameTV provided the wireless commander. This unit doesn't feel very premium with its plastic cover and 3 AAA batteries, but it works seamlessly. We did notice that the lights do not respond uniformly. Different units seem to have different reaction times. One feature that the commander doesn't offer is a way to turn the lights off at the same time. It does have a quick dim feature that you can do with the onboard buttons. We tested the light tube's output at 3200 Kelvin and 5600 Kelvin, and here are the results that we got. In conclusion, these units are built tough and they produce quality light. It is important to understand that they are a specialty product though. Like with most technology, once you know the limitations that you need to work around, you can figure out what the product is good for. And the Andromeda Mark II tube lights are good for a number of different scenarios, especially accent lighting and practicals. The linked control option and the wireless commander make it easy to configure color settings, and the powerful internal batteries make these units even more versatile. As for pricing, the 2-foot kit sells for $1,100 and the 3-foot kit is $1,500. And that is it for our look at the Andromeda Mark II tube lights by CameTV. Go check out the full review on our website at lensvid.com, subscribe to this channel, and come back for more videos. We'll see you in the next one. And the Best part about these light tubes is that you can look like a Jedi when you're pulling them out.